Dear students, our government has decided to reduce the syllabus of CBSE from class 9th to class 12th regarding the coronavirus pandemic. In this video, we will discuss the reduced syllabus of social science of class 10th. Before moving forward, I request you that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's start with the syllabus of history. As we know that there are 8 chapters in our history book of class 10th, but in reduced syllabus we have to study only 3 chapters out of 8 chapters. First one is chapter 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Second, chapter 3, nationalism in India, and any one of the chapter from chapter 4 and chapter 5. But the assessment from these chapters will be only at school level. No questions will be asked in board exams from these chapters. Chapter 7 is completely deleted from the syllabus. So, in conclusion, we have to study only 2 chapters for board exams. Chapter 1, which is the rise of nationalism in Europe, and chapter 3, the nationalism in India. Now, geography. We have to study chapter 1, resources and development, chapter 4, agriculture, chapter 6, manufacturing industries, chapter 7, lifelines of national economy. Questions will be asked from these chapters in board exams, but there will be map work only from chapter 3 and chapter 5. No other questions will be asked from this chapter 3 and chapter 5. Now moving to the democratic politics, which is our political science, we have to only study 4 chapters out of 8 chapters. Chapter 1, power sharing, chapter 2, federalism, chapter 6, political parties, chapter 7, outcomes of democracy, and questions will be asked from these chapters in board exams. There is no changes in the economics. Thank you. Hope that you all have enjoyed the videos and get valuable information.